Hello guys, Florida, Brazil here. And today we are having some massive thunderstorms sweeping through my area. This is like, I believe, the second line or third line, whatever. But this one seems bad. It is coming down really hard. The clouds are moving pretty fast because of the strong winds, so that was a warning sign that this was gonna be a big line. I mean, look at that. This is just like the first line, only stronger with thunder and lightning. It's even so noisy up here because of all the rain. Whenever it rains really hard here, it makes a lot of noise, especially on the skylight. Look at that. That tree over there, let me zoom in on it. You can barely see it unless you zoom the camera in.
Now we have the rain coming down. Yes, the rain is coming down.
The visibility is just reducing.
Visibility is 0.1%.
Ignore my father. He's like trying to ruin my video. Did you see the lightning?
Yes, we do have raindrops. Yes, these are raindrops.
Did you see the lightning, Dad? I said, did you see the lightning? Ow! Yow! Oh, man, look at that.
Wow,
that
look at that.
flash flood is
wow,
filming.
oof, got it. Get out.
Ah! Oh, my dad is just ruining it. Did you see the lightning, by the way?
Yeah.
I got them on camera.
We do have a green pool. Yes, we do have a green pool filling up.
Ignore my father.
Pour a little greenie. Dun.
Like, it is like, man, I can't stop repeating calming down. Like, it's like this is driving through a car wash. It's crazy. I knew I was expecting something like this. This is quality content of what's going on in my town right now. Look at that, like, this is deep. This is like 1.5 inches deep, or I'm not sure, but this is caused from the downspout. The water kept collecting in my backyard here, causing this little flash flood you see. I mean, now you can see the clouds. A minute ago, it was too hard to, like, you can see how fast they're moving. Like, a moment ago, there was a shelf cloud coming towards me. It was moving really fast. And now, look at that. More clouds moving fast here. I can see my neighbor's pool right here, like, overflowing because of all the rain we're having today. It looks like it's already, like, rising already. It's so weird. I mean, we had a storm like this in the past. Here's, like, the weather report right here. Long Island's getting the brunt of it, it looks like. Anyways, I wish we got the brunt of it because that would be something that should go on YouTube. I've seen heavy rains on YouTube and that prompted me to make my channel so I can get some quality content in 60 frames per second. Look at that, it's like almost a waterfall here. It's like Niagara Falls. It's just so cool. The last time I remember having like a lot of rain was on nor'easter. Back like, I think in February. Yeah, look how dark it is. Like, it's so dark that even their yard lamps here, like, turned on, thinking it's nighttime when it's really daytime. Sun hasn't set yet, even though it's already evening. It's also so dark in here, too. Like, it's not as dark, but the iPod records differently, even in 60 frames per second. Looks like it's letting up a little bit now. It's not raining as hard as it was a minute ago. The visibility is like getting like better. You can see that tree even when I zoom in and zoom out. Anyways, stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Adios, amigos. See you next time.